Hello, raindrops. I know I haven't posted in a while. I'm sorry. This look was actually like 4 days ago. I actually don't know when. But I turned myself into a bird. I know that I didn't record the very beginning process, but I just cut out like a kind of like a triangle and I glued it onto my face, and then I threw some cotton on top of it to blend it out. And here I'm putting latex on the edge of that cotton to lay it down a little bit more so that it blends and it runs like smooth. Yeah. I'm not sure what to talk about. Normally I tell some stories, but I think today we might just play some music. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment and share, whatever you gotta do. Yeah. Also, if you guys have like any requests that you want me to do, put them in the comments and I will do it, or I'll attempt to.
Oh no!
All right, now here we go.
Clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Hey, hey. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Hey, hey. Telling me you feel fine.